Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to duet on TikTok. So first you need to tap TikTok. Then you can search what video do you like to duet. Choose video, then tap the share icon at the right corner and then tap the icon duet at the bottom center. So now this gonna access your camera and you can now start record your duet video. Tap the red button at the center bottom and start making your duet TikTok. After you record it, tap the check pink icon, tap next button. After you edit your post, you can now tap post and you have now your duet video on TikTok. So that's how you duet on TikTok. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell to notify you to our next tutorial.